This JTS Mortgage Minute is brought to you by JTS and Company Mortgage Brokers.
Welcome back, everyone. Jeff Farnham joins us now with the JTS Mortgage Minute. Jeff, good to see you again.
Yeah, good to see you, Bill. Yep.
We know that JTS is the best place for veterans to get their VA mortgage, but there's also something called Streamline option with the mortgage. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, you know, it's in particular for the VA loan, we do what's called a Streamline Refinance. It's really just kind of a simplified way of refinancing your loan. If you already had a VA loan, you know, in a current home, or that you either occupied now or did occupy at one point, then we can come in there and do a refinance for you. It's just a very, very simplified way of doing that. You're able to lower the term, lower the rate, and save a lot of money by doing it.
What are some of the differences between a Streamline and a traditional? You
know, the main difference is within the underwriting itself. Under a traditional mortgage, we go through a full underwriting process, but under the Streamline, we kind of circumvent that a little bit and shorten that process up and just make it go a lot smoother, a lot easier. Main thing is we're looking for is, are you current on your mortgage? Have you not had more than one 30-day late over the past 12 months on it? And it's just a real simplified way of doing. So the main difference comes in that underwriting.
As far as the Streamline Refinance, what are the qualifications to get the?
Well, like I said a minute ago, just main thing is having ownership of the home and having used your VA loan before. Now, whether you're occupied or not today is not necessarily the case, but if you've occupied it previously with your VA loan, being current on your mortgage, and then not trying to get any cash back, just trying to lower the term, lowering the payment down a little bit. So it's a real simplified way to do it. We know a lot of veterans have historically used some national companies, and they complain that it takes a long time to get through the process. With most of our loans still with the VA, we're doing them in 25 days or less, and that Streamline can even go quicker than that sometimes.
All right, if somebody wants to get started today, what should they do?
Well, pick up the phone, give us a call, or jump on our website and put an inquiry in online, and we'll call you back and go through the process, evaluate your loan to see where you're at, to see what savings you could look at and those kind of things. There's no cost to you to do that. And again, we have a lot of veterans that are shortening the term up and just saving a lot of money in interest by lowering their rate down. Still a lot of people out there with higher interest rates on their mortgages.
Speaking of rates, can you update as well on what the rates are doing now?
Yeah, we continue to see it's, really we're kind of just bracing for a lot of volatility in the market going throughout the year. The Fed has made some comments that have kind of backed themselves in a corner a little bit as to whether there'll be some more rate increases or not. You look at the fundamentals of the marketplace, then we're seeing a lot of things globally that could affect us. They're could cause some big ebbs and flows in the market. So right now rates are holding out. We're in some cases still under 4% in the mid 3s on some 30-year fixed rates depending on the type of loan, and then 15s or mid to low 3s. So very stable, at least at this point today. Rates have been holding out kind of where we are, but we are expecting some volatility going forward.
Good information as usual. Join us again next week where we'll talk more about the VA mortgage loans through JTS. And of course, if you want more information, you can call 329-9090 or visit their website at jts-com or .co.com. That's jts-co.com.
Yep.
Jeff, thanks again.
Yep, very welcome. Thank you.
We'll take a break. Come back with more in just a moment.